In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix we can't sign into your account in Windows 10. So first thing you want to do is you want to go here and disable and uninstall any antivirus from third parties that you downloaded. So if you have ones that isn't officially from Microsoft, just right click and then you want to uninstall the whole malware. You can do it by going to control panel, and here you'll see programs. So if you see one, just uninstall third-party antivirus and malware protection services. You can keep the official ones from Windows Security, keep them on, so there's no problem with this one. After doing this, restart the PC and see if it fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then here's what you can do. Go to CMD, run as administrator. Here you need to type who am I, and then /user, and then press enter. You'll get a code like this one. So keep this code here, and then you want to go to registry editor. So here you're gonna have to go to this place. Let me just go here. So once you're here inside of the registry editor, you need to go to this location. So I'm gonna show it here. First go to HKey local machine and then software, and inside software you want to go to Microsoft. So go to let's go here. Okay, so go to Microsoft, then inside go to Windows NT. Inside of Microsoft, Windows NT, and then inside Windows NT you'll go to current versions, and then you'll go inside current versions to profile list. So it should be over here, profile list, and then you'll have this list of profiles and numbers. So what you have to do is just match them. Like if you see here, you need to find the same number here, over here, just find the same one. And for me, it's basically this one. So this is the number. Actually, this is the one. So as you can see, this matches this number. And I'll just make sure I have it selected. Next thing, go to this PC, then C drive. So here you need to go to users, go to your username, your profile. So this is mine, and copy this address at the top. So once you copy it, go back to the same folder that is the same number. Then here you're gonna see state. So go inside state and make sure this value is 0. Then press OK. And then profile image path. Then what you're gonna do here is just paste this location you just copied. Just paste it here, and then press OK. After that, you want to restart the PC, and this should basically fix the issue.